สวัสดีค่ะ Good morning everyone so today we are still in Tennessee วันนี้นะคะเรายังคงอยู่ในรัฐ Tennessee นะคะ so today we would like to take you guys to see Ruby Fall which is about 5 minutes away from where we at right now before we head back home we would like to take you to see Ruby Fall which is one what's it called underground waterfall okay inside Lookout Mountain. Yesterday we went to Lookout Mountain, which is the view is amazing and so pretty. And today we're gonna take you guys to see Ruby Fall, which is supposed to be really pretty inside. So I hope you guys enjoy our video and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.
We have people that visit us from all across the world. We just like to make sure where everybody's from. So where's my first group from? Alabama. And what about?
Georgia.
Georgia. And last two?
Tennessee.
Tennessee. All right. So it's Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee type day. I like it. Y'all going to go ahead and follow me right this way. As we come around the corner, you are going to see a black line on the floor. I'm going to want y'all to stop behind that and get some more instructions from our photographer here. In the meantime, I'm going to be heading back to the elevator to grab some more people for our tour. If y'all need anything, please let me know. My name is Thomas. I am your guide for today. But on the note, I will be right back.
So pretty. We are entering the waterfalls. They said it's about 32 degrees in the water, which is very cold. Guys, this looks amazing. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it. This was the coming forth. We are leaving now.
Geology or something.
Oh, yeah.
Thank Tennessee for being an amazing caboose at the very start, so go ahead and give them a round of applause. We made sure that nobody got lost or fell behind. I'd also like to thank y'all for being such an amazing tour group today, and thank you for letting me be your tour guide, even though you had no choice in the matter. Now, we are going to be going up the same way we came down on the elevator. I will be going up with the first group consisting of 6 people, and then the second, third, and fourth I will be seeing as you exit through the mandatory gift shop. Because yes, everything must end in the gift shop. We have a Disney rule here. Now, one of you decided to drink the cave water. Restrooms are available up there for you. I know who it is. Don't worry, your secret is safe with me. But also, yeah, I saw you back there. But also, food and drink are available for you in the gift shop as well. And if you want to see the entire city of Chattanooga from an amazing view, don't forget to check out the Lookout Mountain Tower. Now, without further ado, if you enjoyed this tour, my name is Thomas. If you didn't, my name is Timothy. I work at Ace Hardware. You don't even know me. You never saw me. You don't even know me. All right, let's head into the elevator right this way.